Hey, Mason, what happened? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing with all those paper towels? Huh? What are you doing? You're blowing your nose and cleaning with all of those paper towels. Isn't that a little bit too much? Yeah, I don't think that's two. I think that's like, I'd estimate about a half a roll. What are you cleaning that needs that much paper towels? Yucky nasty? Look at Mama. Are you blowing your nose too?
Thank you.
Thank you for what? What in the world happened? Who did all that? Bam Bam did it? Why? Bam Bam's outside. So how did he do it? Paper. What are you doing with it? It's not toilet paper, it's paper towels. Yeah. Come here, tell Mama what you're doing. Bam Bam.
Papa.
Look at me real quick. Oh, you need more? For what? What happened to all these in here? What are you doing with them? That's a whole lot of. It's a whole lot of cleaning. You're reading it? What's it about?
Tractors.
It's about tractors. It's a good book. Crazy baby. Look at Mama show sad baby face. Look at Mama show sad baby. Say, I'm so sorry. What are you doing? I love you. Say, I'm sorry, Mama. Show Mama sad baby face. I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Peace out.
E-book.
Read your book.
Tractors. Nasty.
Nasty, nasty, nasty.